Hey everyone, today I'm going to be testing out some Geeetech Matte Green PLA. It's like the box got a little bit damaged, not sure if that was during shipping or what, but let's see. Extra bag, that's always nice. Looks like some of the air is leaked out of here, so it's not vacuum sealed. Definitely going to give it a little drying first. Even though it's not vac sealed, it looks like it's nicely spooled, nice and even. Doesn't look like there's any tangles on the edge near where the end of the filament is. Okay. Test out the dimensional accuracy of a meter or two and see what that looks like. That tolerance is a bit off, 1.69, 1.71, 1.69. See what it looks like a little further. 0.73, that's better. Let's make sure this is zeroed well. 0.73. 0.72. Oh, 1.64. What happened there? 0.71. 1.65. Oh. So it seems like it's not circular, right? It's not nice and circular. 1.75. It's got a couple flat places randomly throughout, it seems. Maybe I'm just not getting, no, it shouldn't be getting smaller than what it, yeah, 1.666. That's not very dimensionally accurate. I don't think they have a 0.1 tolerance. I believe it's 0.05 or 0.03. I'll have to double check that. This seems like it might just cause some inconsistencies while printing, but I'll give it a test go and see what happens. I'm going to dry it out first. Sometimes that takes care of it if it's just liquid. That's a possibility, but I haven't seen filament with this tolerance before, so that'll be an interesting print. The color is definitely nice though, but dimensional accuracy is not too great. All right, now time to give it some test prints and see what those come out looking like. Wish me luck. So I went ahead and did a few test prints, but before I did that, I took off about 1 meter of filament to see if the dimensional tolerances were just at the end of the roll. And it seems like they were, the intolerance. So when I measured more, that wasn't at the end of the roll. It seemed like it was all within the tolerances mentioned on the website. Oh, let's see. So there's one spot, it's a little bit out, but it was definitely better than the very end of the roll. And this is Geeetech's first time doing matte PLAs, and this is their first batch, so it's definitely a little expected that they have some work to do, but it's just good to know that it did get better a little bit further in the roll, but it's still a good 0.05 millimeter tolerance. And here's one sample print, no supports used. Came out really well. I like the color, but it's definitely difficult to get dialed in. I wasn't able to get it perfectly dialed in, but the retractions are a bit rough. But I imagine with a little more tuning that I could get this printing really well. And then here's another one. I definitely need more cooling. I have cooling that's mostly for PETG. With PLA, I would definitely need a bit more, but again, the color is what this PLA is all about. So if you like the color, you have good cooling, and you don't mind tuning the retractions a bit, then this is good stuff. Being a first time matte PLA print for me, I think it went well. Haven't come up with the matte PLA profile, so I'll definitely see what I can figure out to get it printing perfectly. I did have to change retraction speed. I had to change that to 30 millimeters per second, and I had 5 millimeters of retraction. Printed it at 210 C. At 195 and 200, it wasn't extruding very well. Yeah, if you feel like giving this stuff a try for the matte color, it's definitely worth it. Let me know what you guys think. I have a link to the filament in the description below. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I'll have more filament reviews coming in the future. Have a good day. Bye.